Hi guys, welcome to my channel today. So what I'm going to be doing is a DIY. I'm going to turn this table that I found at a charity store for £4 into a cute little fluffy stool for my vanity. So as you can see, it's just a plain wood, little sturdy table. I've sat on it a few times so I know it's like safe and strong and stable enough to carry my weight. After I bought the table, I went to the range and I bought this piece of foam, which is quite thick, that I'm going to use as like the cushion in my vanity stool. And for the sheepskin like fluffiness, I bought this rug which only cost me £10 from the range. See, it's quite long, so I have a lot of material left over as well. So as you can see, all I'm doing is placing the table on top of the foam and then drawing the outline. This will make sure it's exactly the right size, but without wasting too much time with measuring and such. And then I'm just going to cut out the shape. You don't have to worry about it being too neat just because the cushion cover is going to cover it up, so you're not going to really see how neat your line is or anything. I know mine wasn't very neat. So I'm just quickly testing to make sure it fits nicely on top of the table. And then after that I can get down to making the cushion cover, which is what it's all about, make it look nice and glam and cool. So as you can see, all I did was put my material on top of the table just to see where it needed to be like sewn and cut, just so it fit exactly to size. Again, I don't really like wasting time with measuring and such, so I tend to do it more like this. Now that I've cut off the excess material, all I'm doing is popping some pins in to hold the cushion cover in place while I'm sewing. So my stitches are quite wide and messy. This is just in case I need to take them out again, just in case for some reason the cover doesn't fit and I've made a mistake. But to be honest, they are still very strong and it will hold it in, and you won't see it, so you don't really need to worry too much about it, as long as you can trust it to stay and not come undone. All I need to do now is tie the two ends together, which I am attempting, but I did fail quite a lot at doing this for some reason. Once that's done, the last thing you have to do is turn it the right way round, make sure it fits properly, and that you do what you need to do to neat it up and such, whether it's trimming the edges, making it look even, or maybe even putting some more thread in just to make sure it's secure. Now that I'm sure I'm happy with the cover, all I'm going to do is pop my foam padding underneath, which is like my cushion, and there it is, it's all done. So you don't need to secure anything. If your cushion cover is tight enough, it will just hold it on itself and you don't need to worry. Also, if you wanted to, you can paint the legs. I did consider painting mine gold, but I ended up really liking the wood look and how it looked with like the fluffiness. But yeah, that's it. I really hope you enjoy this and you can use it maybe. Thank you again. Mwah. Bye!